So today we are making chocolate lava cupcake. For making that, I have taken a mixed flour of oats flour and some normal wheat flour. So now I will pour it in my bowl. Now we will take some chocolate flavored hot milk and we will pour it into this batter. I have saved it for some later use. Now we will try to mix it. Now we will pour some hot chocolate in this. It is simple chocolate boiled with some milk to give it more chocolatey look and chocolatey flavor. So now we will put some baking powder in it and baking soda. Baking powder quantity should be more than baking soda. Now we will mix it. So now we will take some butter and mix it in our batter. So you can see this looks quite fluffy now. We have been mixing it for little over than 5 minutes. It has become fluffed up. Now we will add sweetener. I am using monk fruit, but you can use normal sugar or honey or date syrup or jaggery. Now we will mix our sweetener. Now we will pour our batter into this containers. We will fill it to the halfway. Then we will put our chocolate in between. Then we will pour rest of our mixture on top of it. And we won't fill it to the very top because we need it to rise up. So we will leave little bit of space for it. We don't want to over bake it, but we don't want it to be wet in the middle of it. So we have to be very careful of the temperatures when we put it into the oven. So now we will microwave it for 1 minute. You can also bake it for 15 minutes, but I will prefer to microwave it because it saves some time. बंद कर दो, pause. So now we will check our cake. As you can see, it has good lava flow, and now we will taste it. It tastes good. So that's how you make a choco lava cupcake under 1 minute.